The future doesn't arrive quietly, it glides in with presence, wrapped in high-gloss black and crowned with gold. This is the BYD Sealionn 8, a vision of pure electric luxury. Here at Automotive, we explore every side of innovation, and today, we'll take you through this extraordinary machine from front, left, right, engine, interior, back, top, and outro views, every angle that defines the soul of tomorrow's car. It sits inside a bright, modern showroom, bathed in soft light that dances on polished white tiles. Large windows reveal lush green trees outside, nature meeting technology in perfect contrast. The air feels still, but the Sealionn 8's silhouette radiates motion, even at rest. Front view, the face of confidence. From the front, the Sealionn 8 commands attention like a piece of automotive architecture. Its sharp LED headlights slice through the air, bright and intelligent, evoking precision and clarity. At the center sits the glossy gold grille, bold yet refined, a statement of luxury and strength. The BYD emblem gleams softly, framed by golden lines that symbolize innovation in motion. Every vent, every crease, has a purpose: to channel air, reduce drag, and project elegance through engineering. The Sealionn 8 doesn't roar for attention, it exudes quiet authority. It's the kind of design that makes you pause, not because it's loud, but because it's complete. This is the face of modern confidence, futuristic, composed, and unforgettable. Left side view, the flow of perfection. Move along the left side, and the Sealionn 8 transforms from a statement into a sculpture. Its proportions are sleek, balanced, and athletic. The long sweeping roofline glides effortlessly into the rear haunches, hinting at motion even when the car is standing still. The silver alloy wheels, detailed with red brake calipers, add a flash of performance within a frame of precision. Every reflection across the high-gloss black body feels alive, like the car is breathing light. This side view speaks a different language, one of elegance and discipline. There's no excess, no distraction. Just clean geometry, seamless aerodynamics, and the unmistakable aura of a vehicle crafted by designers who understand restraint as an art form. Right side view, the symmetry of motion. From the right side, the Sealionn 8 mirrors its beauty with equal intensity. Its symmetry perfected, a balance of strength and fluidity. The door handles sit flush within the body, revealing themselves only when you approach, as if the car senses your presence. A subtle line flows from headlight to tail, unbroken, guiding your eyes across its refined length. In the glossy finish, the reflections of the showroom lights appear like electric currents racing over its surface. This is where design meets purpose. Every millimeter serves aerodynamics, efficiency, and emotion. The Sealionn 8 proves that innovation doesn't have to shout, it can whisper with sophistication and still command a room. Engine view, the silent heart of power. Beneath the hood rests a masterpiece of modern engineering, the BYD dual electric hybrid power system. Compact yet powerful, efficient yet thrilling. It's not a mess of pipes and noise, it's a clean, purposeful structure of polished metal and carbon fiber precision. Every element has its place, every wire its reason. It's a design that reflects the philosophy of BYD: sustainability through performance, innovation through discipline. There's no roar, only a hum, soft and controlled, like the heartbeat of a living machine. Instant torque, instant response, zero hesitation. The Sealionn 8 delivers energy like poetry, smooth, deliberate, unstoppable. This is the kind of engineering that redefines what it means to feel power, silent, clean, and undeniably human. Interior view, the soul of luxury. Open the doors, and the world outside fades into calm. The cabin of the Sealionn 8 is more than a space, it's a sanctuary. The ambient LED lighting glows in soft gold and white tones, tracing lines along the doors and dashboard with elegant precision. The black leather seats with gold stitching are sculpted for comfort and style, wrapping you in understated luxury. A floating center console stands between them, sleek and minimal, its touch-sensitive controls glowing gently beneath your fingertips. At the front, a curved panoramic display stretches from edge to edge, merging driver data, navigation, and entertainment into a single digital canvas. It's intuitive, intelligent, and completely immersive. The panoramic glass roof above reveals the sky in all its clarity, making the interior feel infinite. Every detail inside is designed to reduce noise, enhance focus, and elevate serenity. You don't simply drive the Sealionn 8, you experience it. It's a cockpit for thinkers, travelers, and dreamers, offering peace in motion. Rear view, the design of continuity. At the rear, the Sealionn 8's identity transforms from elegance to energy. A continuous LED light bar sweeps across the tail, connecting the edges in a line of pure light. The gold BYD emblem sits perfectly centered, framed by sculpted contours that blend strength with grace. The rear diffuser, subtle yet assertive, adds balance to its futuristic design. From behind, it's unmistakably a BYD, but it's also something more. It's a symbol of progress, a fusion of art and aerodynamics. It's the kind of rear view that makes a statement even as it disappears into the horizon. Top view, the perspective of perfection. From above, the Sealionn 8 becomes geometry in motion. The panoramic roof runs unbroken from front to rear, framed by subtle gold accents. Its proportions are precise, a testament to balance and proportion in design. The black surface gleams like polished obsidian, reflecting light and environment with mirror-like clarity. This is where you see the full picture, how every curve flows into another, how every detail serves a greater purpose. It's the view of harmony between art and engineering, technology and emotion, nature and human creation. Outro, the spirit of tomorrow. The BYD Sealionn 8 is more than a car, it's a glimpse of what's coming. It's the product of visionaries who believe the future can be elegant, sustainable, and thrilling all at once. From its golden grille to its panoramic roof, from the silent power beneath its hood to the calm within its cabin, it embodies everything a modern driver desires: beauty, intelligence, and conscience. This vehicle doesn't chase the past, it creates the future. It challenges the ordinary and rewards the extraordinary. It represents the meeting point between design and destiny, where technology becomes emotion and motion becomes art. At Automotive, we see machines like this not as inventions, but as inspirations, symbols of what happens when creativity meets courage. The BYD Sealionn 8 is that inspiration, sculpted in metal and powered by electricity. As the light fades and the reflections soften on the showroom floor, the Sealionn 8 stands still, calm, confident, complete. It doesn't need to prove itself, it simply is. A perfect balance between silence and strength, luxury and purpose, innovation and soul. This is the dawn of a new era, a time when cars don't just drive, they connect. The BYD Sealionn 8 marks that beginning. A masterpiece for tomorrow, born today. And this is Automotive, where the future is always in motion.